Hey, what's going on there, ladies and gentlemen? Today we are covering how you can sync up your Discord server with your Minecraft server. So this video is going to be pretty in-depth, and we're going to be covering how you can set up the bot, and then we're going to be syncing it up with different types of various roles, as well as using, for example, Luckperm's permissions to kind of sync up those specific features. And then the last part is going to be setting up proximity chat for your server. So those are the three different categories we're going to be covering in this video. So go ahead, strap in, and we'll jump into the video showcase. Let's go ahead and get started with making our bot. So to do that, you want to come to the developer application web link that will be down in the description. So this will just take you to the developer portal. So we need to make a new application. I'm just going to call this MineBot. You can call this whatever you want. Go ahead and create that, and then next we need to come over to this bot section and we need to add the bot. So yes, let's go ahead and do that. So once you have the bot made, there's two different settings that you will need to check. So the first one is going to be setting this to a private bot, because you don't want people accessing your bot and inviting it to their own servers. So set that as private, then scroll down a little bit more where you see the server members intent, and go ahead and set that to enable. Alright, so those are the things that you need to change, and go ahead and click save settings. So now we need to copy this token, and we're going to be putting this in our plugins folder. So we need to go in the Discord SRV plugins folder, and we're going to be going into the basic config.yml. In here, this is where we're going to be pasting our bot token. So go ahead and click this copy and just paste in your bot token right there. So once you have your bot token in there, go ahead and save that. Now we need to invite the bot to our Discord server. So go to the author to section right here, and then you can scroll down and just click the check mark for the bot section. And we need to copy this URL. You're going to be pasting this URL in your web browser. So go ahead and just paste in the URL, and this will invite the bot to your server. So here is my Discord test server, and you can select the whatever server that you want it to authorize on and do the captcha, and it should say authorize. So if we go back to our Discord server now, as you see, here is our MineBot that has just joined, and that is perfect. So everything is connected thus far. So now we can make our specific roles and our channels. So I'm going to make two different channels here. So we'll go ahead and make a new channel, and I'm going to call this a Minecraft chat. Alright, so we'll go call that Minecraft chat. And then if you want a council log to be in your Discord server, this also is a really cool feature. So I'm going to say council logs. Alright, and I'm going to make that a private channel. And then we'll just skip that for now, because we're going to be adding different roles later on. So what you want to do now is go to your user settings, and you want to come to advanced, and you need to turn on developer mode. This allows you to copy the specific channel IDs and paste them into the config. So make sure developer mode is enabled. Now we can copy these two channel IDs to our Minecraft plugin. So opening up our config.yml again, here is where we're going to be pasting our channel IDs. So this global one is going to be just for the general Minecraft chat. So you want to right click on it, copy ID, and then you want to just paste it back in here. So there we go, there is our default channel. So that ID is registered to our Minecraft chat. Now we can also input our council ID. So go ahead and just right click, and then we'll paste it in here to our Discord one. So there we go. So here is our council channel. So once you have your channel ID set, there's two more settings I want to show you guys. So the first one is this webhook, which I do recommend setting that to true. Essentially, it will take the person's skin in game, and it will make them a little profile when they talk in game, and it will show up in the Discord chat. So I actually think that looks a lot nicer. And then these other two settings right here, essentially, when a player links, you can either have it change to their Discord username as well as their Discord avatar if you set those to true. So that is up to you, personal preference. So I'm going to head and save those. Next thing we need to do is make a role for our bot. So when you come to our server settings, go to your roles, and here we have no role. I'm just going to call this MineBot role. Alright, and I'm going to set that to purple. And there are certain permission nodes I will put on the screen now, but for my instance, I'm just going to make it administrator just for ease of access. So I'm going to head and save those changes. Now we need to add that role to our bot. So here is that role. Go ahead and do that. Now we can restart our server and activate it. Today's video sponsor is the Songoda Marketplace. If you are looking for any type of unique or custom plugin for your Minecraft server, there is quite a bit of selection over there, so make sure you guys go check them out using the link down in the description, and you can find some great plugins for your server. Alright, so after we have restarted our server, we should see our Minebot is now online. Make sure they do have the rule that you just previously made. So here we go, the server has started, and if we check our console logs, there we go, now our console is working. And what I love about this is that you can execute a command. So if we just do like /pl, this essentially will be as a console in Discord. So there we go, there is all our plugins. And if we just do like a ban or something, so if you try to run like the ban command and you can't get on Minecraft, but you can ban using the console through Discord, which is really cool, guys. That's one of the reasons why I love the console logs that you can set up through Discord SRV. So let's go ahead and actually join the server with my account. So go ahead and join my server, and we should get a notification saying we did join. So give it a second here, and we are logging in, and there we go, now we have joined the server. So if I type in hi, so if we say hi, so there we go, and there is my profile skin. And the reason it has this is because we enabled that webhook feature, which I do recommend. So it gives us the player's skin, which is pretty cool, so we know who's who, which is a nice feature. And if we type hi in a Discord, we should say, hey, there is Cool Dude on the Discord, and this does actually tell you what role you have. So for example, if I give myself the admin role and I type in hi, the like ASDF or something, we can pull up there, it shows up on our Minecraft screen, which is pretty cool. So it does take the priority role. So to get all your permissions and ranks set up through Discord, we need to go to the synchronization.yml. So go ahead and open that, and first of all, we need to set this to true, and this will need either Vault and some sort of chat plugin. Alright, so you need to make sure that your specific Vault ranks match what you're going to be putting in here. So for example, if you have a rank called Trusted, then this would sync up to a specific role on your Discord. This is going to be the name of the specific rank, so it is case sensitive, so just be aware of that. So we have a VIP rank and a Trusted rank, so I'm going to head and go to server roles, and then we need to see our VIP and MVP. So I'm going to head, you need to right click and copy the ID, and then go back to your config, and we're going to paste this in right here. I'm going to change this to VIP, and then I'm going to be using the MVP role, and pretty much the same thing, just copy this right here and change this to MVP. Alright, so there we go. So once that has been set, you don't really need to worry about anything else. You can read up on what these do, but that's pretty much what you only need to do for now. So you need to save that, and for this setting, make sure that your specific bot role is above the other roles that you want to add the players to. So just make sure that your bot role is pretty much at the top of the hierarchy list in order for it to work properly. So now we are in the VIP group, and I want to add the specific VIP role to my Striker main account. So essentially we need to link our Minecraft account to our Discord account. So to do that, we can do Discord and then link. I will give you a specific code to PM the bot. So I'm going to do this on my main account. So here I am on my main account. I'm going to head and message the bot this specific 9845 code. So we can do 9845, and there we go. Now our Minecraft account has been linked to my Striker user. So I'm going to head and do Discord reload. I'll go ahead and reload all our specific settings because we did enable that synchronization. So that should appear here in a second. So I reloaded, and then I just re-added my VIP group. And if we check on my user, it did upgrade to my VIP rank role on the Discord server. And the reason I have both of them is because since I am opt, it gave me pretty much all the roles. But you can change that via certain permissions if you want admins to only get certain things. But that is up to you. But typically, you know, it will only add the specific one that you set in the configuration. But that is how you do it. And as you see, the name has been updated just like so, which is pretty nice. But anyways, that is how you link your specific accounts and your group permissions. Next up, we're going to be doing the specific proximity chat, which is a pretty cool feature. So to activate the proximity chat, you want to go back into your Discord SRV, and you need to go to voice.yml. And the first thing, you need to set this to true. And here we need to add our voice category as well as the lobby. So I've already had this one preset up, but we need to get the ID of our voice channel. So I'm going to copy this ID, and we'll go back in here and just paste that ID into the voice channel. And then now we need the lobby channel. So the name over here does not have to be lobby, it can be named anything else, but it's just the ID that matters. So essentially what the lobby channel does is that is where players go to at first when they want to be in the proximity chat, and then when they get closer or farther away, it will move them into a separate channel. And then here is the specific strength for the voice. So here is vertical strength, so 40 blocks, and then horizontal strength is 80 blocks. I think that's 10 blocks, I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure that is how that works. And then here is the fall off, so if you go past 45 in vertical strength, then that will drop off and that will pretty much move you to a separate channel. So that is how the proximity voice chat works. Make sure you save that. So in game, I'm going to head and reload the Discord SRV, and I'll go ahead and get Mackenzie to join and try out this proximity chat. Alrighty, so we have Mackenzie in our lobby channel. So this permanently mutes everyone who's in here. So this is essentially takes anyone that wants to be in the channel, and now he is closer, so he did move into our own little proximity chat. So as you see, he is right down over there behind me. Hey, what's going on, Mackenzie? Hey, alright, so then for example, if I fly over here a little bit farther, our channels will change and we will get put back into the lobby. So if I fly over here a little bit more, and there we go. So as you see, we just both got put into the lobby, and then once we get closer, it will change it back, and there we go. Now we are in our proximity channel, which is pretty cool. So what do you think about this, Mackenzie?
Oh, it's awesome.
Heck yeah. Alright, and then you can just kind of get all your friends to join proximity chat. You guys can have fun, all that good stuff. So it's a pretty cool feature, honestly, built into Discord SRV plugin, and it works pretty well. So and one more thing to mention is that players do need to link their account in order for this to work. If they do not link it, then it will not set them up correctly within the specific channels. So just make sure all your players are linked in order for that to work. But I think that's pretty much it. You got any other outro words, Mackenzie?
Yes, I do. I'm gonna try and die.
Alright, well, that didn't work for him. But anyways, guys, hope you did enjoy. Let me know if you have any questions down below. See you guys in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Peace out.